Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Charles Schwab affiliate program eligibility and payout timing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To verify your eligibility for the Charles Schwab affiliate program, start by visiting the official Charles Schwab website. Look for the affiliate program section, usually found in the footer or under the partnerships tab. Click on the link to access the affiliate program details. Review the program requirements carefully to ensure you meet the necessary criteria. Check for any geographical restrictions that may apply to your location. Prepare any required documents, such as identification and tax information, for the application process. Next, fill out the online application form provided on the affiliate program page. Make sure to provide accurate information, as discrepancies may delay your application. After submitting your application, keep an eye on your email for a confirmation or next steps from the affiliate program team. Once your application is approved, you will receive login details to access the affiliate dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard, where you can find your unique affiliate links and promotional materials. To understand payout timing, locate the payment terms and conditions on the affiliate program page. Typically, payouts are issued on a monthly basis following a minimum threshold. Take note of when commissions are tracked and when they qualify for payment. Remember to check if there are any delays related to the processing of commissions. Monitor your affiliate dashboard regularly for updates on your earnings and payout timelines. If you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the affiliate support team for assistance. By following these steps, you can effectively verify your eligibility and understand the payout timing for the Charles Schwab affiliate program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.